Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. The new subject which we are going to introduce in our playlist is information retrieval systems. So the topics which we are going to discuss in this video are introduction to information retrieval systems, definition and diagram, components, objectives of information retrieval systems, relationship to database management system, and the difference between DBMS and the IRS. Now let us go ahead and discuss each and every topic in this video. Let us discuss about the introduction to information retrieval system. So what does the term retrieval means? Retrieval in the sense finding and collecting. So the term information retrieval can be described as a process of finding and collecting the data or information. So the information retrieval system is like a smart search engine that helps to find the particular data. It can be done quickly and efficiently. So the main concept which runs behind the information retrieval system is to find the required information or the data that exists in the collection of the data set. Okay. This system searches any type of information throughout all the systems globally. Now the definition of information retrieval systems. So it can be defined as a software program of the system which deals with the organizing, storing access, evaluation, retrieval, and representation of the information. So the information can exist in any form like text, images, audios, videos, files, and many more. It is a proper way of representing and organizing the information which provides any access to the users. Now let's go ahead and discuss about diagrammatic representation of information retrieval system. So it consists of four main terms: user, retrieval, browsing, and database. So here user can basically be a person who adds a query, and the user will add the query to the search engine in order to find the required information. And the next is retrieval. Retrieval, it finds the data from the existing resources. It means it tracks and finds the relevant information as per the user's query. So how does it happen? It refers the globally existing resources from the computer system and refer to the data resources. And the third one is browsing. Browsing can be defined as an interactive search activity in which the direction of search is determined by the user on the basis of immediate feedback from the system browsed. So whenever the user adds a query to the search engine, this browsing will basically surf throughout the internet and derive the particular resource in order to find the relevant information regarding the user's query. And the last is a database. Database in the sense collection of the data. So it can be defined as an organized collection of the data which is stored and is basically controlled by the database management system. And the next is the components. The components of information retrieval system can be broadly classified into three main types. They are document collection, indexing, and retrieval mechanism. So what it happens in the document collection? So the whatever the data that has been collected, it will be arranged in the form of documents. So it basically searches of the required information from the user's query. The data can be of any form. It may be in the form of text or image, audio or video. It basically searches of the information required for the user's query. And the second is indexing. Indexing is nothing but whatever the data that has been collected during the document collection phase, this indexing process will arrange those data collection in a particular format, which is basically can be the structured format. It deals with overall organizing the data in the form of documents. And the third one is retrieval mechanism. The term itself says retrieval. It means finding. So this component is responsible for matching all the user queries with the index documents and retrieve the most information relevant to the query. And now let us discuss about the objectives of information retrieval system. So these are of 7 types. And the first one is effective search. What does it happen in the effective search? The system aims to help the users to find the information quickly and easily within the less span of time. Next one is the relevant results. So it matches with the user's query, which means whatever the data which has been derived, it ensures that the result matches with the user's query accurately. And the next is accuracy and reliability. It aims to provide the accurate and trustworthy information and are perfectly reliable with the query. And the next is user-friendly interface. So what does it happen? The system should have the user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate and understand, allowing the user to interact with the system efforts. And the next is scalability. Scalability in the sense it is the ability of the system to handle the large volume of data efficiently by ensuring the accommodation of increasing document collections. And the next is multimodal retrieval. It means it supports the data access from any model. So the models can be of any form like audios, videos, images, etc. And the last one is continuous improvement. So it adds new techniques to improve the structural quality of the data, like by initiating feedbacks, machine learning, and data analytics category. Now let us discuss one of the most important topic from the first unit, that is relationship to database management system. It means how the information retrieval system is related with the database management system. So the main concept which runs behind both of them is to retrieve the information but have different scope and approaches. So then what is database management system? It is a software system that manages the storage, organization, and retrieval of data in a structured manner. It means whatever the data that has been taken from the database, it stores, organizes, and retrieves the particular information. And it also provides some tools and functionalities to create, modify, and query the databases. So this database also ensures that data integrity as well as the data security about the approaches and as well as the efficient data access. And the database management system uses a combination of software, hardware, and data models to create and manage the data, whereas the information retrieval system use various techniques like indexing and characterization of data. So here the information retrieval system is designed to retrieve and present the information from the collection of documents and data sources. The database management system acts as base, while the information retrieval system is a tool that helps to find and access the information we require. And here, the information retrieval system provides the iterative search process to the users and guides them to find the required information, in the sense the relevant feedback. And it also provides the relevant results to the user as per the rank order. And here the database management system is easy to implement. It means it doesn't provide any features like ranking or relevance, but even though whatever the data the user want to get, it is possible to get the exact. So when it comes to the relationship between the DBMS and the IRS, the process must be integrated. Integrated in the sense in an iterative manner. So whatever the data that has been derived by using the database management system, the information can be displayed in a form of a tabular form, whereas in the information retrieval system it doesn't exactly need the tabular form. Now let us also discuss the important topic, that is difference between the database system and the information retrieval system. So now let us discuss the key differences between database management system and information retrieval system. So when it comes to the definition, the database management system is a software application that allows the users to store, manage, and retrieve the data in an organized and efficient manner. Whereas in information retrieval system, it helps the users to find and retrieve the specific information. And the structure of the data in DBMS can be in a well structured manner and semantical. Whereas in information retrieval system, the data doesn't has a well structured and is semantically ambiguous. When it comes to the query language, in DBMS, it is artificial. In the sense, the user must write or encode the program. Whereas in the information retrieval system, the data or the query language is almost similar to the natural language. The query specification is complete in database management system. It means the user must write the whole program in order to retrieve his particular information. Whereas in information retrieval system, the query specification is incomplete. Incomplete in the sense, even though his query is incomplete, it tries to retrieve the data. Then, There exists structured data format in DBMS, whereas in IRS there exists unstructured data format. Then the DBMS doesn't approve the small errors in the program. In the sense, even the errors are small, it doesn't approve. In the sense, it doesn't execute the retrieved information by the user's query. Whereas in information retrieval system, small errors are likely to go unnoticed. In the sense, in the search engines like Google, Chrome, etc. So when the query, even though the query has some spelling mistakes or the incomplete, this system finds to retrieve the data. Then these systems are widely used in various industries, like the database management system is used in various industries and in some other sectors for storing customer information, managing inventory and analyzing data. Whereas the information retrieval system, these are commonly used in areas like web search engines, digital libraries and document management system. So the real-time examples or applications where the database management system are used are MySQL, Oracle and Microsoft SQL Server. And it also used in medical sector, in medical field, universities, colleges, banking sector in order to save the individual information about the customers. Whereas the examples in information retrieval systems are search engines like Google or document retrieval systems used in libraries. So these are the key differences between the database management system and information retrieval system. So the remaining topics let us discuss in the next video, and thanks for watching.